First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you how to use it. Okay, this is everything that it comes with, the little carrying bag, as well as the actual device itself, and a little user manual. I do like that this user manual does show pictures, just to make sure that you're installing it correctly. Okay, so this is for doors that open inwards. So for example, this is gonna be perfect for hotel doors. I know that when you're traveling out of town, you don't have to worry about somebody that has the master key coming in, especially if you're traveling alone. This is what it looks like when you take the pieces apart here. I love that this is something you can just put in this little bag and take with you wherever you're going, or just have it in your car for whenever you do end up staying the night somewhere. Let me go ahead and get this set up and show you how this might work. It does have the capability to work on lots of different door types, which is really nice. So you can see this is a door that opens inwards just like this, and you can see this lock right here, how it comes out. There is a notch for regular locks like this, which would be on your standard home door. You can see the size of the deadbolt lock right here, or this piece right down here, the regular door handle. You can use either of these depending on what you have available on that door. So I'm just gonna stick this right down here. This is standard size. This one would be more for like a hotel. They have those larger deadbolts that close the doors. So I'm just gonna place that right where that deadbolt would go and shut the door. You can see it's holding it into place because it has those two little tongs on that side. So currently I don't have the deadbolt locked. I don't have this bottom piece locked. So now all I have to do is take this red piece and I fit the little peg in here onto the closest triangle. So I'm gonna squeeze it into this closest triangle right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it down as far as it goes. I'm just gonna let this go down as far as I can get it. Okay, so that's as far down as it goes. So you know when this is in the right place, it's gonna be like wedged between the door. So now essentially the hole that is in the door is holding this metal piece in there, and this red piece is keeping it tight to that spot. So I'm gonna try opening the door. I don't have anything locked. You can see this deadbolt is in the unlocked position. Okay, it's impossible to open that door. Nice. Then to remove it, you're just gonna take this out. And you can open the door and pack this back into your luggage. I really love this safety feature just to be able to take with you whether you are traveling alone or with your kids or just with your family. I feel like it's always good to have a little bit of an extra safety feature just for your own safety.